Hello watcher and subscriber. Today we discuss how the classes and interface are related and how they can link with each other. So this thing we discuss. In the last tutorial we have seen many example of interface. So if you have seen this tutorial, then you can easily understand this class and interface tutorial. So friend, what happened in the programming? Suppose first you are using class and after that you are taking one more class, and you assume this one is suppose parent and this is child. So you know child can take data from parent. So for that case we always use extends. You are already aware about this. In both side, in place of class there is a interface, then also we use extends keyword. But if we have interface and class and interface method you are overriding in the class, then we use the implements keyword. So concept is very simple. In both side we have different name, we use implements. In both side we have same name, we use extends keyword. Now we will see multiple inheritance in Java by interface. This example is very important. Suppose you have one interface with the print method, second interface with the show method. Then how you can use the multiple inheritance? You have to take one class which is implements with the P and S, because this side we have class, this side we have interface. So simply you have to use implements keyword. Then you have to override this method, that is print and show method. Whichever code you want you can put. Then you take one main method, create the object of that class. You cannot create the object of interface, and then you simply use print and show method, and finally you get the output whichever you written in the program. So it's very simple. Then we use interface inheritance. So in that concept, suppose you are taking the one interface, that is the parent, and this one is child. So ultimately you have to use extends keyword, and here there is a show method in that interface. Okay, this one is interface, this one is interface here, so you can do only declaration part. And you are taking the class which is implements with the S. Okay, now it is very important, implements with S, where the interface S can take data from P. So what happen, even though it is implementing from S, you can override print and show method in the program. Okay, because what happened, T is implementing from S, where the S can take data from P. So once you write S, you can take the data from show method and print method, because this is parent and this is child class. So this concept is very important, friend. As usual, you take then main method in the program and create the object of class T, print and show method for getting output. So in this presentation, friend, we have taken two example. Okay, and here you understood in which case you have to use extends keyword, which case you have to use implements keyword. Okay, so I hope, friend, you understood this presentation. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.